Well, next week, the National Alliance on Mental Illness is hosting a community forum on mental health. And here to tell us how you can join them is Michelle Mendez and Bill Boyd. Thank you all so much for being here today.
Thank you for the invitation.
So for those of us that don't know, tell us a little bit about your organization and what they do.
NAMI is a National Alliance on Mental Illness, and we are a local support group. We have a chapter here, and we meet on the first and third Tuesday of each month. Whether you are the person with diagnosis or you are the caretaker, we offer a support group somewhere to come and try to help you and guide you. And it is statewide. There's chapters everywhere.
And I know most of us think about all the time, you know, protecting us when we get sick, but mental health is also a really big, important aspect to keep in mind.
Right, and I mean, if you have a formal diagnosis, let's say, it's not going to go away. It's part of who you are. It's important that you seek help and have medication to help you. And you can be successful with a diagnosis. It's just how you approach it and what you're willing to do to work it.
And Bill, tell us a little bit about this forum, because this is the first time that y'all are hosting this.
That's correct. It will be on May 19th at Grace Fellowship, which is at 910 Cypress Street here in Abilene, near the Convention Center. And it's going to be for the general public, not just for individuals with a diagnosis. And I meant to lead off by saying this is also National Mental Health Month. So we're going to have this forum. We're jointly hosting it with NAMI Texas, which is our state organization. The education director, the outreach coordinator, and the executive director will be participating with us. So it's just to make the public more aware of mental illness, mental health, and mental hygiene, because with the advent of COVID, even people without a diagnosis have struggled as well. I do have a diagnosis, but mine is manageable. So, but we will be at Grace Fellowship on that night.
And right before I let you guys go, tell us a little bit about the silent auction that will also be happening.
Okay, yeah, the silent auction, it's a silent and online auction. And we had a local artist, Ruth Lambert Jackson, who donated a lot of art. And we have household items primarily, and some toys and gift baskets and the like. They're relatively small items.
Well, perfect. We'll go ahead and look forward to that. Thank you all so much for coming. And again, if you would like to come out to the Mental Health Community Forum, it will be at Grace Fellowship, located at 910 Cypress Street on Saturday, May 15th at 6 p.m. And the Hawaiian Luau and auction will also be at Grace Fellowship. That event will be on Wednesday, May 19th from 6 to 7 p.m. We'll have all the event details and a link where you can bid online on our website, bigcountryhomepage.com.